Hi everybody, welcome back to the Canning Nana. Just a really quick video. I dehydrated some of my Greek oregano and I did this in the Excalibur. Now there's not that much. I just went through my indoor plant that I have, but I am going to be doing Italian oregano. Probably sometime, the video will be up tomorrow probably. It's just going to go in this little 4-ounce canning jar. And I'm going to use my vacuum sealer attachment to seal this so that there's no air in there. This is going to be in my working pantry inside, but I will be storing a lot more as it grows for my long-term pantry. So it's so important to store spices and herbs and things like that that your family likes to add to your food storage, because of course you want your food to be tasty. In an emergency, you're going to eat your food storage and you're going to want salt and pepper and things like that. Oregano adds a lot of spice to it, good flavor, and it's just a really good herb to have around. It's so versatile and I really enjoy it. So I hope this helps you. In our series of the Prepared Pantry and becoming self-sufficient and self-reliant, this is one of the herbs that you can grow in your garden. Please check out my video that's premiering in just a few minutes on my channel. I hope that you'll join me. And this is just one of the things that I show you that I'm growing and why I think you should grow what suits your family for seasonings and herbs and things like that. And I'm hoping that this will be helpful, and also my Prepared Pantry series will be helpful to you as well. So join me in just a few minutes on my channel. Watch for the video that's premiering, and I will see you then. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye. Oh, and please subscribe because we are doing a giveaway.